I'm back in Custer State Park. Today I'm hiking to the Cathedral Spires and the Little Devil's Tower. This is a really great trail. It's short, there are some little steep sections, which is kind of fun, and there's just gorgeous views of these amazing rock formations throughout. Highly recommend this one. Now I'm headed to Little Devil's Tower. Turns out I'm actually fairly close to Black Elk Peak, so I think I'm going to do a little detour to go up there. It's 2.5 miles, and I have a little extra time today, so I think I'll head down Devil's Tower and I'll do that next. Being in the wilderness all by yourself is one of the greatest feelings there is. It's its own special kind of happiness.